In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store error 0x80000ffff in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to re-register the Microsoft Store. So first, I want you to copy the command that I have given at the YouTube description. After that, I want you to navigate at the PowerShell. So navigate at the search bar, type for PowerShell. And then once you have seen the best match, which is the Windows PowerShell system, please navigate to the right side and go with Run as Administrator. So paste the command that you have copied. Okay. Control C to copy and then make a right click here at the PowerShell to paste it. So after you have pasted it, one click on the enter key in your keyboard so that you can start the process. Wait until this would be finished, and once you are done with this, restart your computer and check if the error has been resolved. However, if not, then I want you to navigate to the next step, and that is to clear the Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows key and R key together and type for wsreset.exe in the small window and click on OK button to proceed. Once you have opened this window, please wait until this procedure would be finished, and once you are done with this, please check if the error has been resolved. Okay? If not, unfortunately, then you need to navigate to the last step, and that is to reset the Microsoft Store app. Navigate the button search bar, type for Store, then go with the Microsoft Store system, then make a right click, and then go with App Settings. And then here you need to scroll down, then click on Reset. Okay. Once you have resetted this Microsoft Store app, restart your PC again and check if it's working. Okay. Now, if you found this video helpful, then kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.